Hello! Today I biked from Livingston to Big Timber, Montana. Roads out of Livingston were scenic and fast. Once I got to Convict Grade road, the road was a very rough gravel. For the first 5 miles, there were houses and ranches here and there, and I was following the Yellowstone River, so it was very scenic and not too bad. After 5 miles, it got real rough and totally isolated. Beautiful, but very isolated and very rough. I'm not sure where the name Convict Grade Road came from, but what it actually is part of the old Yellowstone automobile route in the 20s. So I'm on Convict Grade Road. I know there's a section, like maybe halfway, where I can get back on 90. So I decided to ride to there and make another decision. But I'm going 14, so that's fast enough. I'm gonna go below 10. That's kind of my limit in terms of taking too long to get into the heat. Okay, this is pretty, and here's the start of the gravel. I just had a car pass me, so it's dusty. Okay, the conditions have deteriorated. I'm climbing for a mile at 4%, and the road is extremely rough. Oh wow, I just feel so alone out here. There's nothing. There's no houses, no barns, just prairie. That's it. I'm at a decision point. I can go left and about 10 more miles of gravel, and they can go straight and catch the highway. This road's just too rough. I'm going to catch the highway, arriving a little early, but probably won't break a spoke this way. Much more pleasant riding. I mean, it's not too close to the highway. I mean, it's there, but it's not a big problem. Woo! Come on, give me a move. Woo! I guess they just stare. They don't move.